Hey y'all, Shark Scrapper. What do you say we start our street scrapping adventure with a little bit of cord food? There we are. There we are. Cord food and puppy barking. It's a great way to start a street scrap. Got a few things left over from a pickup I did recently. Gonna have to get that all emptied out. All right, let's get to this. See what the day is going to bring us. Well, everybody, we are having a slow day. We're trying to get stuff out of the waste stream and into a resale, reuse, recycle stream, but boy howdy, we're not finding a lot of stuff. This is very nice though. We like this. Let's see, I'm gonna put you over here. So I can get to all these trampoline pots and that scooter. It was very nice of them to take this apart. They did a very thorough job. Well, this is a good heavy one too. Hello, good morning everyone. We're waking everybody up. I'm really not worried. It's a school day. The roads have already been very busy today. Oh, let's just trip over everything. There's good weight in these trampolines, especially these older ones. Man, these are really good. You know what I'm gonna do with that piece right now? Set you up like that because we can put you down over top of stuff. This was probably, it looks like a little boat ladder, but it was probably a ladder for getting up into the trampoline. Yeah, get over there. Get over there. They had a little trouble with some of these pieces. Can't squash them down, not gonna worry about it. Yeah. Let's put you up here with this one. That's a good way. That's a good way to do that. Right. Now then, for whatever reason, these folks wanted their boxes on the other side, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put you back over here where they were. All right, so we need to be a little bit quick here because we're kind of blocking the road. Okay, well, we can certainly understand why they're getting rid of that one. Oh man, coming apart in my hands. So I saw the metal on the ground, then I saw the metal sticking out. So we're gonna get it all. This is very thin. Not a lot of weight here. This doesn't belong in the recycle bin anyway. Gotta come back for those hooked pieces because I think they're buried. Oh, no, that was easy. I thought there was going to be a hook on the other side of them. Cord food. That's still leaking, so I'm going to leave that in the back. I just won't unload it. Speaking of caffeine, let's have a little coffee. I love me some coffee in the morning, and in the afternoon, and well, pretty much all day long. How about you all? How many of you all are coffeeholics? 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 Coffeeaholics? How many of you like coffee? Helium steel. My friend Paul, he comes up with some of the best phrases sometimes. He likes to call these, he likes to call those helium steel because they weigh nothing. Okay, they weigh a little something, but not much. I'm sure most of you know Paul from Scrap and Pallet Man channel. If you don't, you should check it out. He's got a good channel, and he's a good human. Ruh, ruh, ruh. Ruh, ruh, ruh. Somebody's puppy is upset. He's in that window there, barking at me. All right, buddy, I'm out of here. You can chill out. It's a UFO. Space aliens have landed. They're here among us. I don't normally stop for these. Hello. I'm gonna get that recycled for you if that's all right. All right, I'm just blocking the kids from the camera. I'm very careful about those kind of things. Are you going to be metal enough, I wonder? Well, let's do it like that. That didn't work exactly the way I intended it to, did it? All right, that's good enough though. Yeah, let me get out the way. Gotta get out the way. Gotta get out the way. Oh, she was going in there. All right, well, I still need to get out of the way. Oh, my. There's a satellite dish hiding in a bin. Interesting. It was very nice of them to dismantle that. Saved me a lot of trouble. And put you in here. I'll help hold that down. Hey, I need some paper. I need some packing paper. You can go in there. This is all fitting very nicely. Reuse some packing paper. And how about you, Ben? How about you, Ben? Nah, you're cracked. You're cracked. All right. That was a nice stop. So about a year ago, I came upon a move in actually. It was a move in, and they had somebody had taken the time to flatten out all the packing paper and leave it out to get collected. So I've been using that as my stuffing paper for sending stuff to board sort and shipping things to people. And I have run out. So I'm also on the lookout for paper so I can get stuff packed up. All right, everybody, it's yeah, it's an all right load. It's not anything to write home about, but it'll do. And I have another pickup to make this morning with another client, so I'm gonna get this unloaded and we'll go see what the other client has for us. See y'all later.